Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video you'll see me making sushi for the first time. It's gonna be funny, but I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, thank you. Gotta read the scriptures. So we're starting off with slicing the cucumbers and like some straight thin things that you call these things. So yeah. Alright, my cucumbers are ready. Okay, and now is the avocado's turn to get cut up in pieces. And a cut here, and a cut there. Cropping all of this out.
Ways in there.
Babe, don't be putting hair in the hair.
Don't be putting hair in there, baby. She said that.
Alright, can you do me a favor? Can you give me like a flat plate? That's garbage! Touch crabbed and everything. I'm playing. I'm gonna save this cucumber. Can I get an extra plate, please? No, can you not touch everything? Your hand dirty. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do next is rinse my plate, my cutting board, so I can put the seaweed on it. Okay, hello. I'm gonna be making a sushi for the first time.
What are the first time, okay? The first time, okay?
Pay attention, okay?
Yes.
So, now for real, it's gonna be my first time making sushi, but guess what? Without a mat. Yeah. Alright, so let's open up this. The cotton. Can you open this? Shalom, everybody. I'm excited. But I'm gonna do it without a mat. And since I'm from the tribe and eat from, you know I had to season the rice, and you know Moab don't be doing that.
You probably would do chewy sauce and everything. Anytime chewy sauce.
So let's get started. So you know I bought the rice vinegar. I don't know if you're looking. Yeah, that one. And then I got soy sauce. I bought cucumber avocado. So this is one avocado. I bought one whole cucumber, and I feel like that half of the cucumber is already too much. So yeah. And then I bought this one, the sushi nori thingy. And it's not that expensive. Each item is probably less than $3. And I got it at the supermarket. I didn't think it was gonna be in Giants, but they sell everything in Giants.
Everything that
I didn't have to go over there. But let's get started. Let's see how we make this sushi because it's my first time. Okay, this is gonna be bad. So yeah, let's get this party started. Time for this. You pour a little bit of the rice vinegar. Okay. Not too much yet, just a little. Okay. I think I'm gonna start putting a lot, but
you got this.
and you mix it up. You know what I mean. My John looking like mashed potatoes already. But let's keep going. We can't give up. All right, I'm a silly dove. Mashed potatoes with sushi gonna be good.
Mashed potatoes with sushi.
It's not mashed potatoes, it's rice, and I forgot to explain that I grabbed sushi rice. I grabbed sushi rice. No more than $3 once again. Everything was less than $3. Let's start smacking this rice on there. Water for myself and water for the sushi. We both thirsty. Alright, let me drink some water. Well, I sound like you're dying, Jeremy.
Dying of thirst.
Alright, you heard him? Yum. Right. So what we do is this. This is what I want.
Seriously?
Yeah.
And try to break it up?
They say you gotta use water.
Oh, so you're gonna roll it up first and then you're just gonna cut it in pieces?
I'm not gonna roll it yet. I gotta spread the rice first. That's what I'm doing there. Can you see? It looks like mashed potatoes. It don't gotta be perfect. You just gotta spread it out. This is so funny. What I did? Oh yeah.
Stop. Simple.
All right. So now I'm gonna add the cucumbers. Boy, you better go that way.
That was Bobby.
Huh?
That was Bobby.
Bobby.
Ain't that your imaginary friend name?
Chill. We don't do those.
Yeah.
I stopped that when I found out it's
Witchcraft.
yeah. Stop!
Yo, he all up in your face. Like,
Babe, you think the sushi gonna taste good?
I ain't like that sushi that I people from the store. So I don't know anything.
Jeremy wanna taste it.
Yeah, Jerry, that's what you want to take?
You Levi, by the way.
You right.
Oh my God, young brother.
Young boy, out the camera. Young boy, what you doing?
I'm not in the camera.
Yes, you is.
Okay, I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful. So you handsome.
Ew, like you tried his face to the side and everything, like you was beautiful though. Like.
Alright, that's gonna be the hardest part.
She about to roll it, ladies and gentlemen.
Without the mat. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh my God.
Why smack it so hard?
She's doing it. She's
Go
doing it.
for it. Jeez. She's rolling it in. Your face. That's like.
I look like it's about to be the face of defeat. Did it defeat you?
And that being said, I guess you don't need a minute.
Came out pretty good, huh?
Okay. Thank you, Father. This was work. All right. So now, I'm still nervous.
And you gotta cut it.
Yep. Cut it in like 6 pieces.
Alright, don't females with knives make you nervous.
Alright, so sushi number 1.
If you were sushi,
Sushi
what
number
would it do to
2.
you?
Mm-mm.
That blade need to be sharper.
I'm scared.
What
Sushi
brownie
number
was that sushi?
3. Sushi number 4. Sushi number 5. Gonna drop my dog. 6 and 7. Let's see how it looks.
Let's see how it tastes.
There goes number 1. Pretty cute. Okay.
Pretty cute. It's delicious. Look at me.
Voila! Sushi! Wepa. Okay. So that's 7 pieces. Completion. It looks crazy. But I'm gonna try it for you guys.
Oh wait, gotta get the toilet paper. I mean, paper towel.
This sushi look weird. I'm about to try it. First time, I remember. I don't know if I should eat this right now. I've been craving it, but now it's like, I don't know. All right. Now let me stop. Is it raining? I hear like thunder. I'm scared.
It's raining. It's dark. Get all of it. It's dark.
Mmm.
No, it's not raining.
It's good.
What?
It's good. All praises. That's good. What I put in the rice was salt and pepper.
Can I have one?
It's pretty good. Yeah. This is good, babe. And this is how you make sushi.
Now you guys her sushi is good.
He likes my sushi.
Can I have another sushi? It's good. Delicious, delicious, delicious food. Delicious, delicious, delicious food.
There you go.
What is it, thunder?
I'm telling you, it's only the thunder in this side.
I gotta go to work tomorrow.
Sheesh.
Really like that? Let me see you take a bite again.
That's the second bite.
You swallowed the whole joint.
But it's good.
You licked your palm though? Yes, you did. I just got you on camera. Nasty.
Oh my gosh.
I guess that's how good it is, dude. No, I'm
Gotta read the scriptures.